Hello friends, we are back with another video in which we are going to show the garden renovation work done for Mugrody House. We will be dividing the garden area into 7 parts and going to show you step by step how we did it, which plants were chosen and the final look. In this first part, we plan to place pearl grass and round shaped boxwood to the sides. It is important to clean up the weeds fully before laying the grass. After adding fresh red soil, this is now ready for grass laying. American boxwood is an ornamental shrub that is widely used for its dense green foliage and naturally compact growth. The leaves are small, glossy, and deep green in color. It responds extremely well to pruning, which creates neat, structured look. We also added one lotus plant in the middle. Now moving on to the second part. Here we plan to place a cement pot in the middle and selected a bougainvillea which is pruned into round shape. Unlike the wild variety, this variety can maintain a good shape if pruned. Bougainvillea is a hardy plant which tolerates heat, all soil conditions and need less water. Below bougainvillea cement pot, we planted Costus woodsoni. Commonly called as red button ginger, this plant's main attraction is the bright red cone-shaped flower heads. This plant grows well in warm and humid climate, which makes it ideal for the tropic gardens. This is how the plants are looking now after 3 months. Coming to the third part, this was a thin space available beside the compound wall. So we thought of selecting lush and dense looking plant, Calathea lutea. The leaves are broad and paddle shaped and the plant can grow quite tall, almost reaching up to 3 to 4 meters. This plant grows best in partial sunlight. As you can see, here only partial sunlight is available. Plumbing work is also completed and this is how it looks now. And beside those rectangle boxes, we planted heliconia. Now coming to the next part of the garden. American boxwood round shaped balls were selected. So main advantage of this plant is it is slow growing, so it does not require pruning often. Here instead of going for grass laying, we plan to use river pebbles. This not only covers the ground but also gives a classic look. The contrast between deep green leaves and light brown pebbles gives garden a very premium and polished look. Now coming to the space next to it. After discussion, we chose to add a heart-shaped boxwood here which was attractive and added an elegant look to the place. This plant is Ficus benjamina that is pruned into a conical shape. It's a healthy plant which is around 10 feet height. Pruning every 4 to 6 weeks will help it retain its shape, requires partial sun and moderate water. Now this part of the garden has been cleaned and new soil is filled. Pearl grass laying is to be done. Main advantage of pearl grass is it spreads evenly on the surface with runners. No clumps and humps will be formed. Growth is also fast but needs periodical mowing. On to the next part. Keep watching to see how this place has been transformed. So here we plan to place a cement pot in the middle and plant black ficus in it. Surround the pot with TI plants. The place have been cleaned and the plant load is arrived now. We planted TI first and then placed the cement pot. TI plant is stunning ornamental plant known for its colorful foliage and easy care. Leaves shades are attractive because of mixed green, red, pink and purple shades. It can tolerate partial shade which makes it perfect for this place. Black ficus is also planted and now time for some planning. Perfection begins with design and details. Here our team is marking out the layout, keeping plant contrast in mind. It may look basic, but this step is actually an important part. This is Costus woodsoni with bright red cone-shaped flowers. Also known as red button ginger, it grows up to 2 to 4 feet height. Next comes Revelia. It's a small shrub variety which is hardy and heat tolerant. Comes with 3 colors, white, pink and purple, which is often used as ground cover. This is heliconia, eye-catching tropical plant which is landscapers' favorite. Bright orange exotic bracts that actually are not flowers. It needs more sunlight to thrive well. And here is Kenna, known for its banana-like leaves and bright eye-catching flowers. This cup-shaped cream flower is Sabuleta and blue plumbago plants nearby. After 3 months when we visited this place, this is how it's looking. Next part of the garden just needed a simple pearl grass laying. After the grass laying and pruning, this is how it looks. There were already many existing plant pots which needed to be repotted. So we uprooted the plants, cleaned the pots and painted them. We have planned to plant various varieties of anthuriums in them, so we prepared new potting mix accordingly and arranged them in the stand. Anthurium is an ornamental plant known for its glossy leaves and bright waxy flowers. Now we are seeing how the plant is after 3 months. Our next job was to set up indoor planters. We have used tall planters to create a clean and premium look right at the entrance steps. And for potting mix, our ratio is 3 parts of soil, 2 parts of sand and 1 part for manure, coco peat and vermicompost. We have selected vibrant foliage plant with reddish pink tones, a lush green plant with broad leaves, a plant with patterned green leaf. All these are perfect for indoor conditions, especially in the entrance, balconies or near windows. They should be watered only when the topsoil feels dry. Now both outdoor gardening and indoor setup is complete. We have also finished this part of the garden with TI plants and Costus Woodsoni. Now it's time for a quick walkthrough of the entire space. Let's take a closer look how everything comes together. A home that breathes with greenery, a garden that feels alive, and a design that stays simple yet elegant. That's the beauty of a well-planned garden. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.